Aflac's biggest competitors. Aflac is one of the most well-known supplemental insurance providers in the US, offering policies for accident, disability, and life insurance. However, it faces strong competition from several major insurance companies that provide similar products. These competitors range from large multinational insurance firms to specialized supplemental insurance providers. First, MetLife. MetLife is one of the largest insurance companies in the world and a major competitor to Aflac. It offers a wide range of insurance products, including life, health, disability, and accident insurance. MetLife's strong brand presence and employer-based insurance plans make it a tough rival for Aflac. Second, Cigna. Cigna is a global health services company that competes with Aflac in the supplemental insurance market. It provides health, accident, disability, and life insurance coverage. Cigna's focus on employer-sponsored health benefits and its international reach make it a strong alternative to Aflac. Third, Prudential. Prudential is another key competitor offering a variety of insurance and financial products, including life and disability insurance. It competes with Aflac by providing both individual and group supplemental insurance policies. Its reputation and strong financial backing make it a serious contender in the industry. Fourth, Colonial Life. Colonial Life, a subsidiary of Unum, specializes in voluntary and supplemental insurance products, making it a direct competitor to Aflac. It offers accident, disability, life, and critical illness insurance. Like Aflac, Colonial Life works closely with employers to provide benefits to employees. Sankyam. Unum. Unum is a leading provider of disability and supplemental insurance, competing directly with Aflac. It focuses on workplace benefits and offers accident, critical illness, and disability insurance. Unum's long-standing reputation and corporate partnerships give it a competitive edge in the market. 6. Allstate Benefits. Allstate Benefits, a division of Allstate, provides voluntary employee benefits, including accident, critical illness, and disability insurance. It competes with Aflac by offering similar workplace-based insurance plans and has the advantage of being backed by the larger Allstate brand. 7. Mutual of Omaha. Mutual of Omaha is a well-established insurance company offering life, health, and supplemental insurance plans. It competes with Aflac in the accident and disability insurance sectors, particularly for individual and small business policies. Aflac faces competition from various insurance giants and specialized providers, each offering unique strengths in the supplemental insurance market. While Aflac remains a top choice for many individuals and businesses, competitors like MetLife, Cigna, and Unum provide strong alternatives. Would you like to see how much you can save by switching to Aflac insurance today? Click on the link in the description below.